Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and join us, join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. Love you guys, thank you. So today's video we're going to be unboxing our July base box from Boxycharm. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription, and you pay, I think it's $27.99, and you get 5 full size products from like skincare, makeup, sometimes tools. And they have a lot of nice brands, and if you are like me, love to discover new brands, they are very good for this. They always are including new brands in the box. So I'm gonna have the link down below for Boxycharm, for the link if you want to check them out. So let's dig into this box so this video don't get so long. So July's box theme is status triple O, I don't know, whatever. So the first thing in this box is Alley Whoop Stack Odds, a best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact that packs a creamy blush, a bronzer, a highlighter for a complete natural look. The creamy formula is blendable, buildable, and infused with moisturizing ingredients like jojoba and sunflower seed oil. A natural glow applied directly to your fingers, anytime, anywhere, with a makeup brush or a more dramatic effect. Travel friendly in lightweight, compact. That creamy formula doesn't break like traditional powder products, and this beauty retails for $38. And we're going to be trying, because I don't have any blush and highlight on, so the first thing we're gonna try is going to be, in the first one you have the highlighter, the second one you have the blush, and the third one you have the contour. And they are used because I'm telling you guys that this is a reshoot, so sorry. So I'm gonna start with a little bit of the highlighter. Let's try with my fingers. Oh yeah, apply better with your fingers, definitely. I'm doing everything backwards. Normally you apply the highlighter last. Very light, soft. Right, so now let's apply the blush. I'm gonna use another side. I'm gonna use my fingers because it is working better with the fingers. I think that the highlighter was a little bit too light, but the blush definitely is packing some color. They have the contour here. I tried on the first video, but I didn't like how the color blends on me, so I'm not going to be trying today. But I do like the blush. The highlighter too is very soft. Our next product here is going to be one of my favorites in the box. Is Kate Somerville Oat Milk Conditioner and Restore Revitalize. Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin, and gentle enough for all skin types. This nourishing cream is clinically formulated with moisture boosting, visible redness reducing ingredients known to soothe tight the skin. This beauty here retails for a whoop of $76. Whoa. Okay, but the cream is fabulous. And this was product number 2. Our product number 3 is going to be Jekka Black Glow Drop. Prep and bright your complexion with a healthy natural glow. Apply over the face, focusing on your fingertips. Your base glow drop can also be worn alone or used as buildable highlights when completing your makeup look. $20 for this beauty here. Well, if you can use a highlighter to complete your look, let's try, right? like it on the top of makeup, and I did use this under my foundation too, so thumbs up for this beauty here. And this beauty here retails for $20. Very nice. So the next product here is going to be Beauty for Certain Whole Lotta Mascara. This is the mascara right here. Volume boosting, lash doubling, insta enhancing. Put on mascara just to go to the bodega. All you need to get a bold makes it bang. That's Beauty for Certain. This beauty here retails for $32. This retail for $32, told you guys. And then last but not least, here is going to be the Beauty Craft a liquid eyeshadow duo. Ooh, okay, I was waiting for this. We have here duo ended long wearing liquid eyeshadow. One side is a creamy velvet pigment, the other side is formulated to a more. One side is a creamy velvet pigment matte formula, and the other side is a jazzy light glittery formula. They're easy to blend, can be layered, mix or match. Ooh, double dose, double the fun, and this one retails for $18. Excited. So let's try this beauty. We're gonna go with the matte one. There's a tiny mirror here, and let's try this beauty. Ooh, it blends in beautiful. Love it. Beautiful, love it. So I like the matte the way it is, so I'm gonna leave the matte. I'm not gonna add any of the shimmery, but I love it. The Beauty Craft, love this. And this sells for $18, and this was our last product on July Boxycharm. This video is a little late, I'm sorry, but I had to redo it. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna have all the link for Boxycharm in the description of this video, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.